Hello and welcome to the video where we review how you can easily update a quote in Kugamon with Myko.ai. If you want to follow along, make sure you're logged into your own org and that you have an example quote to work with that already has line items. I have one quote record open on my screen here, and this is from a previous video in this series where we review how you can create a quote in Kugamon with Myko.ai. Now, if you're joining us now from that video, we're just gonna pick things up where we left off, but if you're watching this fresh, that's okay. As long as you have that example quote, you're ready to go. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to go into our first tab and just open Myko.ai. Now, if you continued from the previous video, we're just going to use that same conversation thread. But if you are just watching this fresh, you're going to want to click into the app launcher and just start to type Myko, click on Myko.ai, and then you're going to see a similar screen like this on your end, and you can then just create a new chat. Now, before we ask Myko.ai to do anything, you do want to know what line items are on your example quote and what other line items you want to swap it over to. So in my case here, I'm asking Myko.ai to modify the initial sales quote that I have. And for reference, this is actually the quote name that I've designated, initial sale. So it knows specifically which quote I'm referring to. And I'm also asking it to change a certain service that I have, support bronze, for another service that I have, support silver, and then update all those lines to the first of next month. So you can copy this same question for your situation, but just make sure you change the name of your specific quote and that you're aware of whatever line item is currently on your quote, and then you're aware of what you want to change it to. So once you're ready, let's click on send. Okay, so let's look at what it's proposing. Here, the quote that it's modifying is the correct one because this ends in 025, and that matches with the end of the quote here in my second tab. So just double check that that's true for you as well. Secondly, if you followed my similar question and you also asked Myko.ai to swap one line item for another line item, then you do want to see the name of that new line item. In my case, I swapped support bronze for support silver. So that is why I see support silver here. So that's correct. Confirm that you see the changes that you expect. And again, if you followed my same format, we also asked Myko.ai to change the dates. So we wanted it to start on the 1st of next month. It's currently July as I'm making this video, so August 1st is indeed the correct date. So that's great. And then this particular quote did have one other line item already on it. I didn't make any changes to it, so everything is as is, but the date has been modified, so that's good and it's consistent. Now lastly, because I asked Myko.ai to swap support bronze for support silver, it is also making a note that it's going to delete the support bronze. So again, make sure that everything it's proposing to you makes sense before you click Save to Salesforce. But if it does, let's click on Save to Salesforce together. Okay, and now it is showing us the individual records for the service line, product line, but I don't want to look at that. So let's go back to our quote record and let's just give this a refresh. And then let's go to Create PDF and click on that. And now within your line items section, you should be able to see that line item that you swapped for. So in my case, it's this support silver. And I can confirm that the dates are indeed the 1st of next month, August 1st. And that's how easy it is to update a quote in Kugamon with Myko AI. Do you want to learn more? Take a look at the helpful video tutorial below.